Hello students, the question is from computer organization. It's a common data question. So the data given is the cache memory mapping. There's a cache memory mapping. Okay, so consider a memory of 32 blocks labeled from 0 through 31 and a cache of 8 blocks labeled 0 through 7. Okay, and the first question is under direct mapping, which block of memory content for block 2 of the cache, and under four-way set associative mapping, to which block of the cache may element 31 memory go. Okay, so first in the question they have given as, okay, so this is a main memory. Okay, and this one is a cache memory. So main memory consists of 0 through 31. Okay, so let's say this is block 0, block 1, block 3 and so on, block 20, 21 until block 30, finally block 31. Okay, so there are 32 blocks because it is from 0 to 31. Okay, similarly in the cache there are 8 blocks. So this will be block 0, block 1, block 2 and so on till block 7. Fine, and there will be a tag field associated with each. Okay, now in the direct mapping this is the scenario, and if it is set associative, it is written that four-way set associative means 4 blocks in a one set. Okay, so there are 8 blocks, so total 2 sets will be 0 there, set 0 and set 1. Okay, so in set 0 0 1 2 3 will come, and in set 1 4 5 6 7 will come. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we have to do the mapping. Now the first thing is in the direct mapping, which block of the memory content for block 2 of the cache. Okay, so under the direct mapping, what is the formula to calculate the block under direct mapping? This is under direct mapping scenario, actually this J mod 8 will be 2. Actually this will be the number of blocks in the cache. It will be changed. If it is 128, then it would have been 128 here, because there are only 8 blocks, so I'm writing 8 here. Okay, so it's already given that the cache block number is 2. Okay, so we have to block for the memory one. Okay, so J modulus 8 will be 2. So check with the option. 9 modulus 8 won't be equal to 2. If J equals to 9, this modulus 8 will not be equal to 2, right? Will not be equal to 2. So this will be the wrong option. So J cannot be 9. So J will be 10, because 10 modulus 2 is, sorry, 10 modulus 8 is 2. This is correct. So therefore first option will be 10. So among A, B, C and D, B, D already excluded. Okay, so our answer will be among A and C. Okay, so first part over. Now the second one is under four-way set associative, to which block of the cache may element 31 go. Okay, so now it is divided into two sets, set 0 and set 1. So based on the same formula, instead of blocks we will place sets. Okay, so we have to find out this one. Already 31, the J they have given 31, so we have to find out this part. So just find out. Okay, so it will go to the set 1 itself. Fine, so it will be equals to 1, right? 31 modulus 2 will be 1. So this will go to odd memory block, that odd memory set block, that is set 1. So in set 1 how many blocks are there? 4 5 6 7. Okay, so in the option just check it out, only 7 and 2 is mentioned. 2 is from set 0. Set 0 contains 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, and set 1 contain these values. So 7 is present, so our answer will be 7. So answer will be 10 comma 7. Okay, so the answer is A. Fine. Now the second part, this was the first part of the question. The second part they have asked is, in the following sequence of memory block references from the CPU beginning from an empty cache, and on which reference must the cache layout for a direct mapped and a four-way set associative cache first differ. Okay, so we have to find out like which is the first difference, like order of reference they have given. So in which cycle the mapping of the direct mapping and the set associative matching is going to vary. Okay, so the order of reference they have given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and the block reference they have given as 0, 15, 18, 5, 1, 13, 15 and 26. Okay, fine, correct? Yes, correct. Okay, so what is the next part? Now we already know that odd number will go to the set 1, right? And for direct mapping, if we are going for the direct mapping, what will be the catch blocks? Put on this formula again, that will be the j modulus 8, right? So 0 modulus 8 will be what? 0. So this will become 0. Okay, there are three things out here. Okay, so this is the third part. Fine. Now similarly, if you do 15 modulus 8, 15 modulus 8 will be 7, right? Remainder will be 7. So this will be 7. Similarly, 18 modulus 8 will be 2. Then it will be 5. This will be 1. 13 modulus 8 will be 5, 7 and 2. So this will be the final catch block. Now if you are doing set associative mapping for any 4-way set associative mapping, then this will go to 0 only. Then 15 modulus 2. Okay, so 15 modulus 2 will be 1. Okay, so this will be 7. This is correct. So it is same as set associative. Then this will be 18 modulus 2, right? So this will be 0. So it can go to 2. Fine. Now this will be same. This will be same. Now check for the sixth one, where the difference is coming first. Right, this is the question. So 13 modulus 2. 13 modulus 2 is fine. Yeah, this is differing. Say 13 modulus, if you do 13 modulus 8, what will be the result? This will be 5, right? And if you do 13 modulus 2, then what will be the result? It will be 1. Okay, so here it is differing. Fine. So here the difference has come. I mean to say that there will be no change for the set associative, but on the 6th cycle, 30 will be replaced by the block 5. Okay, so this block will be replaced by this block, 5th block. Okay, so here the difference has come. The 6th cycle, the first difference has come. So that will be the answer. So answer will be D. Thank you.